Hi, my name is Luke Sinecki and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at PRP Manufacturing. Here at PRP, we see ourselves as an engineering company that specialises in the CNC cutting and fabrication of custom solutions, with a focus on materials such as rubber, sponge, foams and plastics, through to advanced composites like carbon fibre, and even soft metals such as aluminium. PRP's capabilities are quite extensive, but at its core we have a comprehensive range of high-precision flatbed cutting machinery. This includes water jet cutting, knife cutting, laser cutting, and even 5-axis routing and milling for complex shapes and profiles. We have several die stamping machines for high volume efficient production, a facility capable of bespoke fabrication and assembly, and a design and engineering team for innovation, R&D, and to assist customers depending on their requirements. We service customers both nationally and overseas, and cater to anything from prototypes through to mass production. Our facility is located in Dudley Park, South Australia, and is just a couple of kilometres away from the CBD. It features a smart workflow based upon lean methodologies. We have software developed in-house with advanced track and trace inventory management, and we are continually undertaking R&D to maximise productivity and efficiency. Our facility is compliant and fully certified to ISO 9001 international quality standards, with a reliable supply chain and traceability over our products and materials. What makes PRP unique is our creative approach to solving problems, our love for building genuine relationships, and our ability to embrace a wide range of differing projects. Our CNC services allow for products such as brackets, jigs, pads, panels, and other complex profiles. Our sealing solutions include gaskets and seals, catering to a wide range of chemicals, temperatures, and pressures. Our advanced materials address very unique property requirements such as temperature, thermal conductivity, electrostatic discharge, radio frequency, vibration, and sound attenuation. And our packaging division is where we sell hard case and custom foam solutions for protection, transportation, and storage. PRP is all about creating opportunities for its customers, and with that we are underpinned by a strong set of values and a drive from a dynamic and exciting long-term vision. At heart, we're all about staying creative, we are passionate about learning, we show excellence in our products and services, and we are committed as a team. We love a fun, enthusiastic and exciting workplace, but with that we have a strategic direction that will ensure we're at the pinnacle of modern technology and sustainable to support future trends.